Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of earbuds and exploring why I want to switch from Apple AirPods to Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. I have always preferred AirPods for their seamless integration with your Mac, your iPhone, your iPad, any Apple device you have, the AirPods works amazing. However, now that I'm using S25 Ultra as my main device, I was still using AirPods with my Android devices. They work okay. Every single time I have to connect them, I actually have to go into the Bluetooth settings and make sure that I connect to the AirPods. It is not as seamless as it is with Mac devices because makes sense. Now this is gonna bring me one more step closer to going into the all ecosystem of Android. So I was able to get these buds at a pretty massive discount with my S25 Ultra pre-order. I just never got around to opening it up. So let's open them up and try these and see if these can replace my AirPods. So let's unbox these and see what's in the box. Okay, so these are the Galaxy Buds 3. I like the case. It's very dark and very nice looking case. I like the look of the AirPods as well. Let's look what's in the box and then we'll get back to these ones. I really like the shape of these, to be honest, or at least the shape of the box compared to the AirPods. So this is the AirPods and these are the Galaxy Buds 3. Okay, so let's see. So this comes with a USB-C cable to charge. I'm getting a lot of USB-C cables, which is great now because now everything is USB-C. Samsung has taken a bold step with the Galaxy Buds 3. Their design is very similar to AirPods, and that's why I went with the Buds 3 instead of the Pro version because they are like the in-ear headphones. So let's go through this one and see. So it shows the charging light in the front when it's charging. I'm assuming it has a reset button on the bottom to connect it with the device. Let's see how it connects with the Samsung. So if you bring them close, as you can see that it's already showing me that it found a Galaxy Buds 3 and it wants me to connect. So now it's downloading the software. So let's see, now I can see my AirBuds 3 in the S25 Ultra app, which is much better. So as I mentioned that before, I was able to use my AirPods by just going into the Bluetooth and connecting it with my phone, but this is much better. You can see that it's showing me the battery life of your earbuds. You can also see the battery life of the charging case, how much it is. You can turn on the active noise cancelling on this phone, which I want to do. You can choose the different sound qualities. You can actually turn on 360 audio, where it shows you the sound is coming from all directions. So I want to try that. And it also tracks your head tracking when you turn your head, so it's always like it's coming from the video you're watching. Okay, so I want to try these things and see how it works. Let's see what else is in there. So these are all the settings which you can choose on these buds. Okay. So I've turned on the active noise cancelling. I just want to try these headphones with a YouTube video and see how they sound. So as you can, so this is what happens with me if I have in-ear earphones. They don't stay in my ear; they just keep falling. And I think this is the reason that I go with the AirPods, which are a bit longer and this type, so they can actually stay in my ear. So let's try. Let's talk more about these AirPods. These, not AirPods, Galaxy Buds 3. So this is not falling, but I think this side is not working properly. Okay, it's a bit better now. So yeah, so if I have in-ear headphones and I'm trying to walk and I'm trying to do anything, they always fall out of my ear. They always fall down. And actually I put this on and I can see that the active noise cancellation is active because I don't hear anything at all. It's pitch silent and it is making a difference. Okay, Samsung has taken a bold step with the Galaxy Buds 3, adopting a stem design similar to the AirPods, which I like. So I think I'm gonna like the Buds 3 instead of the Pro version. So because I don't like the in-ear headphones, they never stay in my head. So I think it looks good, but this is not just about the looks. It's more about the function, which I was not able to get with the AirPods. The stem design definitely offers better comfort and stability. I hope that it fits better in my ear canals. The Galaxy Buds 3 is packing some serious audio tech. It has dual amplifier. It has a system which independently controls that how much bass and how much treble should go to each speaker, which is great. So Samsung also is bringing its Galaxy AI features to your Galaxy Buds. You can actually, it does the adaptive EQ technology, which automatically adjusts audio based on how the buds fit in your ears and how the surrounding sounds are coming. It has adaptive noise control, which helps you stay aware of your surroundings. So if you have ANC on and you are going, I think it changes based on your environment. So that is what I'm gonna be testing when I'm going to be comparing them against the AirPods. So I think it comes down to two things. If you are in the Samsung ecosystem, then you will have all the features which you are not getting from the AirPods. You will be able to do the seamless device switching from one Android device to a Windows PC or an Android tablet. So I think now I'm getting more into the Android ecosystem, where I have my watch, my S25 Ultra and my phone. So they will, and my headphones, sorry. So they will all work together in a kind of a unity. So I will be able to have the seamless experience, which right now I don't get with the AirPods. So I believe they will work great with my Samsung devices. They will still be able to work with my iPhone if I just decide to go in and add them as a Bluetooth device, but I don't think it will be the same thing, that I won't be able to use the same features which are only specific to Samsung devices. So remember, the Galaxy Buds 3, they work great, but they will work great if you have a Samsung device with you. If you have any other device, then your experience may differ. Just like how my experience was very subpar when I was using my AirPods with my Samsung Galaxy. So I'm gonna say goodbye to my AirPods and put them away in a box, in a drawer, and use the Galaxy Buds 3 for now and see how that experience is different than using AirPods with a Samsung device. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to go more into the details of the device itself, or if you prefer to be my reviews a bit more generic and just give you an overall view of my thoughts and impressions on the device itself, let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.